Hazel Green, Kentucky is a wide spot in the road, home to about 65 families. Like most small towns, it has vacant buildings and empty lots. But there are sounds of life in the town's most prominent structure, a 140-year-old Victorian home painted hazel and green.
We want you to drive in this little town and not even know why, you just fell in love.
The home, which sat vacant for 26 years, is being renovated to be turned into a bed and breakfast called the Celtic Inn. It's step one in re-identifying the town as a Celtic Village, honoring the region's Irish, Scottish, and Welsh heritage.
75 to 80% of the families that lives in eastern Kentucky and West Virginia are from that Celtic world.
Local folks have embraced the idea of turning Hazel Green into a theme town.
The founder of Hazel Green, which is my great-great-great-grandfather, was William Trimble, and his ancestors were from Ireland.
Joe Bowen says he visited theme villages when he bicycled across the country twice, once at age 24 and again when he was 62. He liked how they played on their Bavarian or Danish heritage and had a vision to do something similar while working late one night on the Hazel Green house.
And it's like magic happened. But when I looked across the street, I saw an Irish pub and restaurant.
Those businesses haven't come yet, but the townsfolk have jumped in to clean up lots, cut trees, and lay the groundwork for growth.
There's nothing better than people that love each other and help each other and support each other, and that's who the mountain people are. And so I see wonderful hope here.
Many of the people who live here went to the famed Hazel Green Academy, a school that prepared mountain children for college. They feared the town would die when the academy closed 40 years ago, but now they say it's just been asleep, ready to reawaken with a new identity.
When Joe and Linda moved here, they were literally a godsend.
After the Bowens started this project, they learned that a few years ago there was an economic impact study done by the Appalachian Regional Commission and the state. Guess what one of the suggestions was? That a themed village could really boost the local economy.
We want everybody to just keep up and look at what we have planned for the future, because we have big, bright ideas.
One idea is a Celtic festival, and students are already learning folk dances to perform when that day comes. If all goes as planned, someday this Kentucky community will look and feel like a different country. And with the luck of the Irish, Hazel Green will find a pot of gold.
It is a family that's come together, and they want to make their little town more interesting to the outside public.
In Wolfe County, Marvin Bartlett with the Spirit of the Bluegrass.